As we know that for stress to be equal, for stress to be equal, I can write a formula as T1 by A1 is equal to T2 by A2. So T1 by T2 is equal to A1 by A2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So according to the option in this problem, option D, option D is correct answer. Option D is the correct answer for this problem. I hope you understand the solution of this problem.